Hello everybody, welcome to my new map creation video tutorials. This time I won't be creating a PvP map, I will make a one-player PvE map, and I already put some thought in the concept of that, and I have it here. Currently I call it Unstable Experiments, and the basic thing is you have a one-player map. The opponent fraction is Shadow. It's a dungeon type of a map, and you have to. I haven't thought completely about everything, but you have to destroy some power stations which and power a magic gate. Behind the plaque is some crucial mad shadow guy has invented and is experimenting with, and it's dangerous, so you have to destroy it. And in the middle of the map, after tier 3, probably the boss will appear, saying why you're messing around with my experiments, and you have to defeat him, then destroy the last power station for the gate, and afterwards the plague will attack you and you have to kill it. We will see how that works out. For now, I want to create the height map of the map and the basic settings. So I can start with scripting afterwards. And yes, this tutorial will include everything from making the map itself, like I did with all the PvP maps. But there will be another part where I will do the scripting for the map. So this will be a new as video tutorial. I don't think there are scripting video tutorials out there already. And yeah, I have to see how far and how deep I can go into this, because I will be doing this on, probably on 2 days. And for now, this is the map I want to create, and let's do a height map. So I think the map has not to be coming too big, so I will choose a size of 512 height and width, and that should do it. I will open this file in Photoshop as well, so I have a little bit of an example background I can use, and this should become the basic map. So, what do I need? At first I will need a lowest ground color for the water. The middle of the map has water. For creating height maps, always use the pencil tool in Photoshop, and with sharp borders. So this will become the water area. Now let's create the highest area. I will choose white for it at first. Afterwards I might change those colors. and fill the rest. Okay, now I need a middle color. Let's take something like that. Fill it. And here I see where the last edges are I haven't covered. And of course it has to be higher than the border. And this will be the basic layout for the map. I might add a little bit of higher ground and lower ground to this, I don't know yet. There was another, yes. This is it won't become water, it will become more of a break inside, and some spells, shadow spells or unstable stuff will be going on there. This will become pretty cool, I hope. I want to use the whole shadow theme, darkness, chaos, and so on. Because I think no one has done it before. There are no PvE maps where you have a chaotic dungeon type map. And I think this might be really cool, or this will become pretty cool. Okay, now I have to make it so the height isn't that big of a difference. Probably make the gate a little bit smaller here. So that looks pretty huge. And of course I have to load it into the map editor for several times until I find a perfect size for the map at all altogether. Because right now I think it might become pretty big. Probably I will save it and already give it a try. Okay, so the map editor is this one. And oh no, I don't want to open, I want to create a new map, size 512. And just load the heightmap to see how it looks like. Of course, black, white, and middle gray won't be that good. I might have really huge height differences. Whitening 60 meters normally. Why? And yes, those differences are really huge. I should make black like 50% lighter and white like 50% less white, or more, maybe 50% is too much. I will just take 30 or 40. 40 looks good. And save it again. Oh, this looks like it isn't good enough. Let's apply some cliffs. You can always see that pretty good if the height is good or not good. You use cliffs. I have to create a new cliff and attach manually. Okay, this is good. This is too small. Okay, so I can make the white thing a little bit whiter, and the other colors are okay. And oh no, still not enough, I think. Let's see if I go into the in-game camera view, and those cliffs can be higher. Oh, too much. Okay. Damn it. You have to experiment quite a bit with everything until you find something that works for you. Now this looks good. So, but I won't save this map. I just wanted to check on the heights, and now I have to improve the height map further. So file close, card changes, and I close the editor. And now comes the work, or the most of the work. Oh, I wanted to see how much of the size it is. I think it was a little bit too big for what I planned. So maybe let's scale it down a little bit. I will use the pixel repetition. I don't know if it's correct English pronounced, or if it's the correct word in English, to make it smaller so the sharp edges will stay. And at first I will make the whole image smaller, and afterwards I will widen the outer side. So I have again the right map size. So this should be good, hopefully. Save it. And now I will work on all the small details of the heightmap. This might take a while, and I probably won't be talking that much because it's a little bit of work, and it's that. Afterwards, you can use the random generating tool pretty good with your heightmap, and that's awesome. So I do this, by the way, because it looks just better if the cliffs of the borders are not that yeah, simple. It looks cooler if you have some kind of structuring or randomness in it. That's why I make this much work with it. So I think this already looks damn cool, just because I made some little things myself inside. And yeah, it looks cool, look really awesome. So let's save it and see how how it looks inside of the map editor. Yeah, that's good. That's really good already. I will stop the recording here and make a new one for the next part.